want you to meet my pet toucan, Tilly. Tilly is part of the toucan family. Toucans are small birds with super big beaks. Their beaks are bright and colorful, sometimes even bigger than their heads. Some toucan beaks are as long as their whole body. They come in colors like red, green, orange, blue, yellow, and black, just like a rainbow. Toucans have different colors on their feathers too. Some are mostly black, while others have patches of yellow, orange, green, and red. The biggest toucan, called the toucan, can grow up to 2 feet long. But the most special thing about toucans is their beak. I have a book by Richard Gunther that tells fun facts about toucan beaks. What do you think, Tilly? Should we read it? Okay then, let's go. An evolutionist called Charles Darwin thought the toucan used its beak to attract a mate. Was he correct? No, he was completely wrong. Other people have said that the toucan's beak is used for peeling fruit. Is this correct? Partly right, but not the main reason for the beak. Some people have said the toucan's beak is used for scaring away predators. Is this correct? Not even slightly. So, what is the toucan's beak used for most of the time? Answer: heat control. Dogs pant. Bees fan their hive. And elephants use their ears to cool their body by sending more blood into the ear skin. A toucan's beak is 30 to 50% of the toucan's body area, and it has a network of blood vessels through it. The hotter a toucan is, the further the blood goes through the beak. The more heat it loses, and the cooler the bird feels. The beak can lose between 25% and 400% of the bird's heat. This happens even when the bird is asleep. It is an automatic heat exchange unit, and just think, God thought of this invention long before humans thought of it. The San Diego School of Engineering has studied toucan beaks. They found that makers of airplanes and cars may benefit from the first ever detailed analysis of toucan beaks. Computer modeling shows that the beak is optimized to an amazing degree for high strength and very little weight. The surface of the beak is made of keratin tiles stuck together. The insides of the beak are made of a kind of foam made of bony fibers. Keratin, by the way, is a super strong protein that helps keep things tough and safe. It's found in hair, nails, and even animal feathers. Scientists love studying keratin because it can be used for so many things, like making hair products, healing skin, and even creating new materials. It's like nature's secret helper. The middle of the beak is hollow, which is a good design for spreading stress. The big surprise was finding the beak's sandwich structure behaves as a high energy impact absorption system. The beak's interior is a highly organized matrix of stiff bone fibers with drum-like membranes that connect fibers. In other words, the insides of the beak is like a foam of airtight cells. Toucan beaks show a deep knowledge of mechanics. There are some 42 species of toucan. They live mainly here. Have a look at the map. Toucans came from Noah's Ark and spread out from there, but they found the best home in South America. They all come from the original toucans, male and female, which God created. Where did the very first toucans come from? And God created great whales and every living creature that moves, and every winged fowl after his kind, and God saw that it was good. Genesis 1 verses 20 and 21. Wow! Now that we know what makes toucans so special, let's check out some super cool and fun facts about them. I have 14 facts that I would like to share with you. Fact 1. The biggest toucan ever recorded is the toucan. It can grow up to 25 inches long and has a huge, bright orange beak that can be as big as 8 inches. Fact 2. A toucan's colorful beak helps it blend in with the plants in the rainforest. This helps them stay safe from predators and sneak around to find yummy food. Fact 3. Toucans have one of the biggest beaks compared to their body size. In fact, their beak is bigger compared to their body than any other bird in the world. Fact 4. Toucans don't build their own homes. Instead, they use their beaks to make tree holes bigger so they can fit inside comfortably. Fact 5. Did you know toucans can control their body heat using their beaks? If it's cold, they pull blood away from their beak to stay warm. Fact 6. Toucans sleep with their beaks tucked under them like a cozy blanket. This keeps them nice and warm on chilly nights. Fact 7. Baby toucans aren't born with big beaks. Their beaks start growing after they hatch and get bigger and stronger as they grow up. Fact 8. Even though a toucan's beak looks big and strong, it's actually super light. It has tiny holes that let air flow through, so it's not too heavy. Bonus fun fact. Toucans have super long, skinny tongues. They can be up to 6 inches long. Fact 9. A toucan's beak has little ridges on the edges, just like a bread knife. These help them hold and chew food like fruit and eggs. Fact 10. The outside of a toucan's beak is made of keratin, just like your fingernails, and the inside has a bit of bone to keep it strong. Fact 11. Toucans have beaks in all sorts of colors. Depending on the species, their beaks can have green, black, brown, yellow, red, and orange, just like a rainbow. Fact 12. Scientists believe that a bright beak helps toucans find a mate. A flashy beak makes them more attractive. Fact 13. Even though a toucan's beak isn't great for fighting, its big size can scare away other animals who want to take its food. Fact 14. Toucans use their beaks to carry food from one place to another, kind of like a built-in lunchbox. Aren't toucans the coolest birds ever? I hope you enjoyed this video and learned more about the toucan family of birds. As you have probably noticed, Tilly has a beautiful beak. Tilly gets so embarrassed when I talk about her. Okay, Tilly, let's wave goodbye to everyone. From Tilly and I, we will see you soon.